everybody, welcome to episode 2 of What's Up With That. So let's talk about cutting up.
Cut the Benz off, fuck it. Cut the truck off, fuck it. Let go.
I actually just found out that this even had a name. If you don't know what cutting up is, it's that a-hole you see coming up behind you. You're on the freeway doing 80 miles an hour, which by the way is 15 miles an hour over the speed limit here in California, and they just fly by you and they're just weaving in and out of traffic. Why are we doing that? Why? Answer is probably because it's fun. Hell yeah, it's probably fun. But what is the fun to risk ratio? Is our prefrontal cortex not working? That's the part of our brain that actually makes long-term risk versus reward decisions. Trust me, I know science. It's part of my job. By the way, if you're under 25, your prefrontal cortex is not fully formed, which is why car insurance or car rental companies don't want to let you rent a car because they know you're going to be cutting up. So just think that one through. Does there always have to be a route for you to swing through these cars? No, there doesn't. And probably, if you do it for long enough, you'll run into a place where you actually can't, and you'll crash. You might hurt yourself, you might hurt other people, you might even be held liable for criminal charges. So really think that one through. Additionally, modern cars have lured you into a false sense of safety. I don't know if you've ever seen a car wreck in a modern car. These things are made out of tin. Almost all of them are unibody cars. You don't know what a unibody car is? It's a car without two frame rails. It's basically a tin can, and then it has two little nubs of frame rails on the front for the engine and the front suspension, and the back for the back suspension. These things crumple up faster than a hot tortilla. I don't know what else, right? So take that into consideration next time you're thinking about cutting up. Also, how much do you trust the drivers on the road? I'm sure you've had a complaint or two about other drivers on the road. Either somebody cutting you off, somebody turning into your lane because they don't see you, somebody on their phone while driving who's swerving in and out, right? I see these guys in these videos flying 100, 120 miles an hour by these normal citizens on the freeway, and they're just trusting that they're not going to pull out in front of them. I have no trust for those people. Absolutely none. I'm taking my nice car, my car that I've spent time, sweat, tears on, and I'm gonna trust some idiot who's scrolling Instagram while they're freaking taking their kids to soccer practice to 100% for sure see me and not turn into my lane? No, not me. That's a terrible bet. Absolutely terrible bet. Not doing it. So I don't know. Anybody can tell me what's up with that. I'm sure it's fun, but it's just too damn dangerous. Stop doing it.